Hello everybody and welcome to CIL-ELECTRONICS Fixing Stuff. This is my little workshop and hopefully you'll find the videos that I'm producing from my little bench here with the kit and setup that I've got here. Not perfect, it's made from mostly cheap second-hand stuff. I don't like spending lots of money on brand new stuff, so I like to find old stuff and repurpose it, and that's the whole purpose of fixing stuff, is to take old kit which people want to get rid of, or it doesn't work anymore, and rather than throw it away they've given it to me, and hopefully I've managed to fix it, get it going and keep it going. Because let's face it, there's enough wastage in the world already without adding more to it daily by chucking out tech that's 5 years old. I mean, what's that? I mean, years ago stuff used to last for years and years, but as far as I'm concerned, using old kit and repurposing it, and if it's a Windows computer you can run the latest operating system even on a 10-year-old computer with no trouble. I've got an old 20-year-old computer down here, runs Windows 10 fine. Well, not maybe as fast as the latest computers, but you know, it works, and why not keep it going? So hopefully you enjoy the videos, and I will be hoping that you would subscribe to the channel and watch more and share it with your friends and family, and hopefully I'll be giving you help and advice on stuff that you may want to try and fix yourself. And it's not going to be just computers. I've got various bits and pieces in the lineup. For example, there's an old Roberts radio here to be fixed. There's a Bush radio, a little Bush DAB radio that I picked up for next to nothing on eBay because it doesn't work. I've quickly powered it up and there's no display, so that'll be an interesting one to see if we can get that working. That'll be good. And various other bits and pieces that I picked up. We've got a BBC B there, an old tape recorder, loads of stuff. So plenty of stuff in the pipeline, more coming in as people want to give it to me. And you know, if you want to help pay for new bits of kit that I may need to buy, then I'm starting a Patreon channel as well. So if you're a Patreon member, welcome to the CIL-ELECTRONICS channel, and I will hope that you help keep us going. But I'm not here to make money, I'm here to pass on my knowledge born from 40 plus years in the electronics and computer trades, and hopefully be able to make it enjoyable for you to watch somebody sitting here fixing stuff. And that's what I do. Thanks very much, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Cheerio.